Hello everyone.
Hey guys, how are you? Sorry, it's been a long time
Yes.
since we've released a video. I mean, a very long time. I think
Yeah.
our last video was in
June. No. Yeah, June.
Yeah, June. Sorry about that. I mean, look, this COVID-19 has really hit everyone really hard. So I'm hoping everyone's staying safe and isolating where they're meant to isolate. But we've got something to show you that I'm sure you're going to enjoy during isolation. So Nintendo have just released last week, as a matter of fact, a new game, and it is called
Mario Kart Live Home Circuits.
Yes. We
Now,
did
if you
not
don't know what that
take this out at all.
If you don't know what that means, that basically means that it introduces AR interactivity.
Augmented reality, which is something that was very
Unpopular.
well, not unpopular, but it was a lot in its infancy stage in the previous incarnations of the Nintendo games, where they used to have a card on the 3DS. I'm not sure if you remember, but you used to point your 3DS over the card, and something would pop up out of the card, which is your augmented reality side of things.
So
they've moved a long way in leaps and bounds.
Whole new level.
Yeah.
Basically, just so you got a cart and it's just racing in your home.
Yes, exactly. So what we've basically got here is we're going to open up the box because this is an unboxing video. So we're going to let you know what's inside it, how it gets set up, and also how it runs. So let's start having a look at the box contents.
Alright, so this is so basically download, you don't really need that. So
Yeah, this is just trivial stuff.
okay.
Yeah, okay, I'll do this part. So the first thing we're pulling out, obviously we're going to show you that this is the cable to charge the something else that we're going to show you very shortly.
And this here, ladies and gentlemen, is the arrow signs, and I thought you put it together.
Yeah, that's good.
So this is the gate for number 4. This is gate number 3. I don't know why I'm showing you this, but this is gate number 2. And this is gate number 1. So if you don't know how to assemble it, I will show you. Like right now.
Oh, yeah, sorry. I was just showing the folks at home what the gate numbers were. So we'll now go through how to set up a gate. It's fairly simple.
Yeah.
You can actually
It's not like
set them up, put them down, put them away very quickly. Now, the one thing I want to mention is that although it's a fun game, it is going to take up a bit of room in your house. So I hope your parents, that's if you are a child that would like to play this game, are okay with playing this game in the living room or in a room that's big enough to map out a course. If you are a parent like me who likes to play this game, just make sure you don't get in the way of the other adults in the house.
Yeah,
because
like
they will come down hard on you.
So this is how you start up the gate. I think this is how you do it.
Yeah, that looks pretty close. If you haven't already watched the instructional video on how to set these things up, please do so. The link will be in the description below.
Now, if you don't know where to put, like how to put it in front, if you look at the arrow signs, it's basically saying point this way, so you put it like that.
So that's these arrow signs on the bottom here. So you can see right there, it's got the arrow signs. So it tells you pretty much which way the gate is meant to look. So gate number 1, there you go. So when you're approaching the gate, you need to see that it says gate number 1. Right. So that's just the setup of the course. Now, of course, the best part about this is the actual real-life Mario Kart. Now, we've bought the Mario version, so I'm going to show you.
Everyone loves Mario.
Everyone's loves Mario. They love Luigi as well, obviously. Now, here you go, you can hold that, and I'm going to continue on.
I'm gonna pop it.
So, no, please don't pop it. So, what we're going to do is we're going to show you guys now, which you probably have seen or haven't seen, but this is the Mario Kart. Now you can see it looks pretty close to the real kart in the game. The only difference is obviously there's a camera on top. This camera is where the augmented reality side comes from. So what this camera basically does is as you're going through each of the gates, it shows the gate number and then you know you're going through that gate number in the game. So this drives around in real life, but it's like you're playing a Mario Kart in real life.
Now the camera's from this company called
Velan Momentum.
Yeah. And that's what the camera comes from.
And basically we need to charge this up before, so the best thing to do is charge it up. You lift this little flap up on the right hand side there, and you can plug in your USB cable, which I showed before, and this is what it is. plug that in. You can charge it up. You can use any sort of USB connection to charge it up. Any kind of power adapter you've got.
Now, if you want to turn it on, you press this button here and
the camera will light up.
And that comes on, and then you want to point the camera at the QR code to activate it.
Yeah. Now, first things first, though, you need to make sure you download the software before you get this game, because otherwise it's going to take too long. You might as well have the game downloaded first, and then get all the equipment, which is what we've got now, and then set it all up and start racing.
Yeah. So basically, we're going to charge it first because.
Yeah, we've got to make sure it's got enough charge in there. Now, in the game, you're actually racing the Koopalings. So Bowser's Koopalings. It's pretty cool. I reckon I've seen the instruction video on how it works and what it does. I think it's pretty cool. Now, like I said, bear in mind, make sure that you do set it up in an area where you've got enough room to put these gates and these arrows and to be able to drive the kart around without interfering too much with everything else in the house. Now, on the video that is in the description below, it basically says that put it on a nice flat wooden surface. You can put it on carpeted surfaces,
but it won't work as well.
It won't work as well. Yeah, we need something to smooth it out.
So basically, we got wooden, so basically it'll just work
a lot better.
Yeah, a lot better.
So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed our little unboxing video of the Mario Kart in real life, so to speak. Can't wait to actually get to that point where we are in real life, but that's still a long way away.
Yeah.
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also watch our other videos. And we will promise we'll try and get some more videos up.
Yes, and we'll try and get season 2 up as well.
Season 2's been a long time coming.
Yes.
Just please subscribe and just keep subscribing to us. We will get those videos out to you soon. So make sure you keep safe and try and ride out this isolation as best as possible. And I hope that everyone who is isolating at the moment is getting better. And I hope this doesn't affect too many more people.
Oh, I'm playing this.
Just got to make sure we play safe, right?
Yeah.
That's all we're going to do.
And wear a mask. Alright.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So take it easy, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.